Hey guys, it's Lindsay at the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and today I want to show you a really quick and easy and fun craft that you can do with your kiddos around the holiday. I'm going to show you how to make a DIY snow globe with just a few materials. So the actual snow globe is going to be out of a mason jar. I bought this at Walmart. You want to choose a mason jar that doesn't have an emblem on it, and it was kind of tricky to find, but I did find this at Walmart. I'm choosing to use just a Christmas figure that I also bought at Walmart. I think this was $1.50. But really you can do this with anything. You can do this with Legos. You can do this with an old ornament. Anything you want to stick in the mason jar. Elmer's glue. I chose to buy the green, but you can also use the clear and you can add glitter to it or anything you want really to swish it around in the snow globe. I'm going to add some glitter to the green on mine. Elmer's also makes this. I have some ribbon to go around the top. And with the top, you can really do anything you want to it. You can paint it, you can have your kids color it, anything to make it look a little festive, or you can just leave it alone, and I think it'll be fine. Scissors, and you also need a glue gun and a little bit of water because I'm going to add water to this. So it's not as thick, so like the stuff will shake around a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is remove the lid. What we're going to do is we're going to put the lid here and then we're going to glue your figure onto the lid. So when I'm using hot glue to make sure it holds up with the glue inside of it. So just dab a little bit of hot glue on your figure. And stick it on there and let that dry. And another little tip, if your figure isn't very tall, you can put pennies or dimes below him to raise him up so you could see him better. Okay, so once you've got your supplies, you've got your mason jar, you've got your glitter glue, you've got your spoon and your water and your hot glue gun, you're ready to roll. So the first thing we want to do is put the glitter or put the actual color glue in your mason jar. I'm not going to use a lot because I'm going to dilute it with water because we don't want the color to cover up the actual ornament. So if you're using a color glue, don't put a lot in there. Otherwise you're not going to see whatever's inside the snow globe. So I'm just using a little bit. If you're using the clear glue, you could probably fill the mason jar halfway and then the rest water. I'm going to mix the sparkles. By the way, these come in a pack. Just mix the sparkles in there. And this is also glue. So you don't have to use the Elmer's glue. You can use regular sparkles. I've seen somebody use bells before. That was kind of festive. And then I'm going to pour some water in it so it's not as heavy and it'll shake up easier. And then you grab a spoon and you mix it. So once you've mixed it really good, you're going to want to put the lid back on it. Make sure it's tight and then mix it. Shake it up. So now you can see all the little sparkly pieces. Shake it so there aren't any lumps. Okay. Okay. And then turn them over. Make sure it's real tight. And there you go. The Christmas snow globe. And here's the finished product. I put a little ribbon on it and I put 2 bows and I think it really finished it out. So here she is. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you do, like and subscribe so you can see more quick and easy DIY projects. Thanks, guys.